Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn about the meanings of the word durch and how to use it. This video is split into two parts. In the first part we are going to learn when to use the word durch, and in the second part we will take a look at some examples. Durch has many different meanings and it's also used in different situations. In English it means, for example, through, to be finished with something, to pass, or also by. It is used when we are talking about into and out movements. For example, when we go into a building and then get out on the other side of the same building. Then it's also used when we talk about a guided tour. For example, when a guide makes a tour through a museum with the visitors. Then it's also used when we want to talk about the cause of something, or when we want to say during a period. It can also mean to pass, for example, to pass a test, and it's also used for the expression to be finished with something. For example, when we finished reading a book. Then it is also used when we are talking about the medium of something. In English it would be by means of. In easier words, with what medium did we do something, with what means. And at the end we also take a look at the expressions durch sein and durch und durch. Alright, let's start with the examples. As already said before, durch is used when we're talking about into and out movements. For example, ich gehe durch den Korridor. Ich gehe durch den Korridor means I'm going through the corridor. So I'm getting into the corridor and then I get out of the corridor. So I'm going through the corridor. It is also used when we're talking about a guided tour. For example, Pauls Frau führt uns durch das Haus. Pauls Frau führt uns durch das Haus means Paul's wife shows us around the house. Then it's also used when we're talking about the cause of something. For example, die Überschwemmung wurde durch den Regen ausgelöst. Die Überschwemmung wurde durch den Regen ausgelöst means the flooding was caused by the rain. It is also used when we want to express during a period. For example, es hat das ganze Monat durch geschneit. Es hat das ganze Monat durch geschneit means it has been snowing through the whole month. So the month here is the period. Durch is also used when we want to say that we passed something. For example, A asks, wie war dein Test? And B answers, es war gut, ich bin durch. Let's repeat. A asks, wie war dein Test? And B answers, es war gut, ich bin durch. This means, how was your test? It was alright, I passed. So ich bin durch means I passed. Durch can also mean to be finished with something. For example, ich bin jetzt mit dem Kapitel durch. Ich bin jetzt mit dem Kapitel durch means I finished reading or learning the chapter, so I read the whole chapter till the end. With durch we can also express which medium we used for an action. In English it's the expression by means of. For example, ich schicke ihr das Geschenk durch die Post. Ich schicke ihr das Geschenk durch die Post means I send her the present by mail. So the medium here is the post. Now we carry on with our expressions. Durch sein. Durch sein is an expression we often use when we're talking about frying food. For example, die Kartoffeln sind durch. Die Kartoffeln sind durch means the potatoes are well done. So that means they're fried enough and we can eat them now. And our last phrase for today is durch und durch, which means completely. For example, es hat stark geregnet. Wir waren durch und durch nass. Es hat stark geregnet. Wir waren durch und durch nass. Means it was raining heavily. We were completely wet. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did so, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day and see you next time.